Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for those who have subscribed, and for those who are yet to, make sure you hit the subscription button so that you don't miss out on these amazing recipes. On today's episode, we're making chicken tikka. So we have chicken, Shalimar's mix. I'm going to explain later about that. Then we have maziwa mala, salt, and cooking oil. In a bowl, we're going to mix all the ingredients together and marinate. We start with the cooking oil. Then we're going to add unsweetened buttermilk, half a cup, to marinate the chicken. A bit of salt, because the Shalimar mix for chicken tikka has some salt in the ingredients. Then we're going to add Shalimar chicken tikka mix. This is a combination of garlic, ginger, salt, turmeric, black pepper, coriander, Garam masala, onion powder, and citric. So if you have these in the house, there's no need of buying the Shalimar mix. You can just combine your spices and use to marinate the chicken. It also comes with a small sachet that has chili inside. So if you want to love chili, you can add while marinating the chicken at this point. So I'm adding my chili to the chicken, to the mix, so that it can marinate together. Mix everything together and mix it well, and then add the chicken and marinate for about a minimal of 3 to 4 hours. Once the marinade is made, add the chicken and marinate for at least 3 hours. For cooking the chicken tikka, you can either barbecue over charcoal fire or grill in an oven. But for me, I'm going to be using the air fryer. So I'm going to fold a foil into almost like a tray that fits on the rack of the air fryer. Once that is done, I'm going to preheat my air fryer for about 3 minutes and then place the chicken on the air fryer. Place the chicken and make sure to pour a little marinade on both sides of each chicken piece. the chicken. The air fryer has a setting that shows you how to cook the chicken, 190 degrees for 25 minutes. But for this particular chicken tikka, we're going to cook for 10 minutes and then toss the other side to cook for another 10 minutes. Your chicken should be looking like this after the first 10 minutes. Turn the other side of the chicken and cook it for 10 minutes also. Then once it's done, drain the excess marinade that was in the chicken and then grill for 5 minutes. Your chicken should be looking like this at the end of the cooking. Once this is done, you can serve it with some dipping sauce on the side. You can serve with some salad, some kachumbari, or you can serve it with some ketchup on the side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next episode, peace out.